Hello Lines, this is your English 4 photo essay video helper. You are going to go to readylibrary.com. You are going to scroll down to where it says English 4 photo essay. Click on the photo essay and this video helper will be linked here and embedded down here, and then you will click here to go into the Mac and VIA group for this project. Your project sheet is up here, as well as a couple of digital citizenship tips about images and citations. So for this assignment, your project sheet, you have linked to your Mac and VIA group here, you have a video here, some additional tips here, and an image helper here. This video helper will also be linked here, but I'm just going to show you a couple of things about what's in this Mac and VIA group. The video about how to advance or how to Google image search and whatnot is here. And then I have a couple of databases in here and some links that I'm going to show you, as well as an MLA citation guide for MLA 8, link to Google Drive, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. You can find images in these three databases: Britannica School, Student Resource and Context, and InfoTrack Newsstand. Depending on what your topic is, and your topics are going to vary wildly, will depend on what you can find. So let's see, if you are going to search refugee, perhaps you have something about refugees, and you can go click on the images and videos here, and you can use these images in your assignment. So if I wanted to use this image, I would click on it. I would grab my citation here. You guys are using MLA, so you would use this citation right here, and then you can drag this into something in Google Drive, or you can download the image, save it, you know, whatever you want to do for this assignment. Okay, so that's that database. Student Resource and Context. Also, you can grab images from here. It's taking forever to load, probably because I have too many tabs open. You can't see, but I have about 30 tabs open, per usual. So I'm going to type in my search term. When I type in my search term, you'll notice over here there are 467 images for this here. Okay, so I can click on this, and let's say I want this image. Okay, I can click on it, and then I can come right here to my citation tools, grab the MLA citation, and use that image. Now in this particular database and the other one I'm going to show you, you can actually send these images to Google Drive. You can download the image, whatever you would like to do with that image. Okay. InfoTrack Newsstand is going to have, let's see. So I'm not sure actually that this database has images. I thought it would. But you know what? It may not. I'm going to take this one out. Good to know. Okay, so we're not going to use that one. So you can use Britannica School or Student Resources and Context. Both of those are going to give you lots and lots of images, as well as easy citations. I have down here 3 other sites for images. Okay, so if I click on Unsplash and I put in refugee, okay, if I want to use any of these images, I do not necessarily have to cite them, but it's nice to give the person whose image it is credit. So if I want to get this image, I can click download for free, and you'll notice it says say thanks. If you have a Twitter account, you can tweet a thanks. Just click Twitter and it'll post a thanks that way. Otherwise, you can copy this information and put this on the same page or right by the picture. Like for instance, on the picture I used for this for this assignment, I put photo by blah, blah, blah right there. Okay, so I just put it right on the image. And that way, it's just a nice way to say thank you to the person who took that image and then put it in Unsplash for us. Okay, so those are your options with Unsplash. Pixabay. Okay, same thing. So I'm going to put in Refugee. Okay, oh, let's say I want to use this. Taking forever to load because I have so many tabs open. Okay, so you are going to have to, I think, create an account in order to download an image. Let's see, yeah, I have to create an account. And then over here, I can share socially. I can take this image, a royalty-free stock photo. I could, let's see, I think I have an account. Let's try that. Oops, gotta spell my name right. Pretty sure I have an account on this site. Oh, that's not my password though. Let's see. Sure. So ready to download. So now it's asking me, what do I want to do? I want free. What? Oh, I don't want to do that. I just want to download it. So I'm going to click download. Maybe I can't, is this not free anymore? I might have to take this one off. Maybe I need to take this one off because we don't want to buy anything. Nope, we don't want to buy anything. I'll take that one off. I thought it was still free, but alas, it is not. Okay. So I'll take that one off. Sorry. And then, let's see, photos for class is the other one. Okay, so let's see if I want to use this image. So you'll notice this right here has the information about the photo. And when I clicked on it, it automatically downloaded it with all the information already attached to the photo. So you don't have to do anything other than click download and then use don't crop off the information from the photo on this one, okay? Leave it on there. The noun project is just an icon. So if you want to create an image in Google Drawings or, create your own image with an icon, you can do that. So I'm going to take these two things off of here, but the other resources still stand. And you should be able to use all of these. Now, if you want to go to the web, and let's just put in my search term over here, and I want to go to images. Okay, what you're going to do on a Google search is you're going to go to tools, you're going to go usage rights, you're going to go labeled for reuse, and then it's going to give you images that are labeled for reuse. Now, this does not mean you can just drag and drop one of these into your project and not cite it. So if I want to use this image right here, I'm going to have to do two things. I'm going to have to go and visit the site, which is blocked because it's Flickr. See if we can find one that's not blocked. Visit the site, and then I'm going to have to go up here to my Cite This For Me tool, which in Mac and Via, if you don't have it on your Chrome toolbar like I do right there, you can add it right there in Mac and Via. But I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to go, let's see, I'm going to go, I think I have to then click on the image and then I can click the Cite This For Me. Nope, that's not going to work. I can't click on the image. So on the page, you're going to have to just kind of play with it and see where your citation pops up at, okay? So for here, I'm going to copy and paste this citation, and then I can use this image, okay? So just be really careful on Google searches. If you can, use the images from the database simply because we have permission to use those as long as we cite them. And so that's going to be your best bet, but you can go to Google if you follow the correct procedures. All right. If y'all have any questions or you need any help anywhere along the way, feel free to email me or come see me, lambertin@friscoist.org. I'm happy to help with any of your needs. Good luck, Lions!